Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys all of this. You guys are going to get ready with me. We're going to go out and go do my nails. We're going to go and pick my outfit. We're going to do my hair together. We're going to do our makeup, and we're just going to sit down and talk and get ready for this party that I'm heading out to. So if you guys are interested in seeing this and coming along with me, make sure you guys stay tuned and let's get started. Okay everyone, so I'm back again. I'm going to film my nails. So you guys are gonna come with me. We're definitely not gonna do this style for the holidays. So yeah, come. Okay, I'm just waiting. Look bad. She's right there.
Santa Claus, do you ever come to the ghetto?
Guys, I didn't show you my nails. This is it. Okay, let me give you guys a little close up. Happy holidays. Happy Christmas ready. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so I'm back from doing my nails, and as you guys can see, these are how they look. I'm really close up in my face, but they're just white with glitter. I felt like they were really festive and holiday-like, so yeah, I think I've already done like a very glam like Christmas holiday look that you guys can watch, because in this one I'm not going to do a very glammed makeup look because I already have that on my channel, so I'm going to link that for you guys. This one is really simple because the outfit is already a lot, the hair is already a lot. I just want the makeup very simple and a pop of lip. So if you're into simple makeup, that's easy. Legit, this is like 2 steps to do. You're gonna want to watch this one, but if you want a full glam, again, I have like a full glam on my channel that you guys can definitely go look. Yeah, so the hair's a mess now, so after when we're done the makeup, we're gonna go in with the hair and just style it really quick and easy. I already went in, as you guys can see, with doing my eyebrows. I just filled them in with brow pencil that I need to buy a new one because this looks like purple on my eyebrows. I don't know. And then I went in with primer already, and this is just the Hard Candy Matte Defying Poreless Primer. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with gloves since my nails are white. And I'm dealing with a foundation and powders and lip colors that are vibrant. I have to do this only when I have white nails on. It's funny, but this is the reality of it. And again, I probably would have just got my makeup done, but I'm going to show you guys how to do this at home. But I don't want to stain my white nails. So anyways, let's continue on. Now, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm going to start with the eyeshadow. Now the reason why I just wanted to start off the tutorial with the eyeshadow is because it's going to be really simple, and I want to show you guys how simple you can achieve nice looks. And I feel like for the holidays we really go out on more of our outfit and maybe like a nice hairstyle more than makeup. I mean, you can do everything, going out on everything, which I usually do for New Year's, like makeup, hair, outfit. But I feel like you guys are going to see my dress. I'm going to show you guys the outfit as well. You guys are going to see that like the outfit's a lot, so I really just want to come down with makeup, like to make it really simple. I have too much concealer. Anyway, so we're gonna just prime our eyelids with a very bright concealer. Now the reason why I'm using a light colored concealer is so the eyeshadows can pop more on the lids. Anyways, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm gonna set the eyelids. You guys know that I like going in with like glitter a lot, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm kind of not. I kind of am. I'm just gonna probably go in with this shimmer, I'm thinking. I'm going to go in with 2 colors that you guys are gonna be like, that's it. It's really simple. But I feel like the lashes is what's gonna tie everything in. And you guys go in with any palette that you have. I'm using my Morphe palette. You guys don't have to buy this palette just to achieve this look, because it's neutral colors. So I'm gonna go in with a brown. So use any shade of brown that you have. And then what I'm gonna do is just pat the brown onto the eyelid. Now I'm going to do multiple, like, I feel like this Morphe palette is not that pigmented, so I have to always go in with like a lot of layers. And we're just only focusing like the darkish brown color just on the outer corner, and then just bring it in a little bit, but mainly right here. And then you want to do the same thing, of course, on the other part. And just take your time. I mixed this one and this one together, these two. After doing that, you just want to go in with the black very lightly. I'm using the black in the same palette, use any black, and you just want to focus this on the outer. And the reason why I'm adding black into this look is just to give it a little bit more character and definition instead of one solid color just on my lid. You know, black is pigmented, you don't need a lot. That's like it for eyeshadow, and I'm going to clean up the ends with mascara. So next, not mascara, with the concealer. So next I'm going in with my Hard Candy Stroke of a Gorgeous Felt Tip Eyeliner. So this one, and I'm going in with liner. Usually I do this after putting on my eyelashes, but today I'm going to do it before. So what I'm going to do is just line my lid. I'm not doing a wing or anything like that. So I just put on the eyeliner, so I'm gonna go put on my lashes and then get back to you guys. We're kind of done with the eyes for now. We're not completely done, but we're kind of done. But we're gonna have to proceed on. So now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, matte and poreless, in the color 355 Coconut. And I'm using this brush here. It's actually a foundation brush. Like, I'm actually using a brush for the actual use, because usually I use like a brush would be like a crease brush, and I'm using it to like contour, a blending brush, and I'm using it to contour my face, my nose and stuff. I don't know, but anyways, I used this brush the other day to put on my foundation, and I don't know what it was or what it is, but my foundation looked amazing on my skin. Like, it looked really nice. So I'm gonna continue using this brush for a while, even though I like using beauty blenders. I think I'm gonna have to take this off to do my forehead. Okay, so I took off my elastic band around my head, and I didn't notice how tight it was on my head until I took it off. Crazy. It's crazy. But I'm not done with this hair yet, as you guys can obviously tell. We're gonna do that after. I just had to finish putting on my foundation on my face, and I did not want like this part to not have it and then have to go back in again. Anyways, we're gonna highlight. Sorry guys, someone's motorcycle. Highlight with LA Girl. So I'm using the color medium beige. I usually use pure beige, and this one I'm using fawn. I'm just gonna mix these two colors. I did this the other day too. I did this the other day as well, and it just looks good. Don't really need to use so much concealer, to be honest. Okay, and then I'm going in with Mahogany and LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm using that on to contour. Now I use this only on like right here, because it's so dark. I use it right here, and then I'll bring it in when I'm blending it. Like, I'll bring it down more. So I'll put a little bit because it's so dark, and I'll bring it down. And I only powder contour because I don't have a color for my nose, and I'm not using this deep dark color for my nose. That's a definite no, because it's just too dark. So I'll just contour with a powder for my nose, since I don't have a liquid color. I like to use liquid. I like to use liquid and powders to contour and highlight. Okay, I'm just blending it out with my Real Technique sponge. I've been using Real Technique sponges ever since I started wearing makeup, which was in high school, and I've been always spending my money with Real Techniques. Their sponges are just affordable, and they work well. They're soft. They don't soak up the product. Okay, now I'm going to blend out the side. See, as you guys can see, like, when I blend it, I bring it down. So I don't really have to use a lot. Let me blend out this around. Nice. Okay, so I'm going back in with the Sacha Buttercup, and we're going to just set the liquid. I always do the weirdest faces whenever I do my makeup. I just can't help it. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, we're going to set that. I'm just a little bit messy today. Anyway, so I'm just setting the contours. Now, oh sorry, I'm using the Black Radiance powder. Bro, this is the most pigmented powder. Let me see if it has a name on it. I just got this recently, so I'm still getting used to it. So this is the Black Radiance True Complexion Custom Coverage Foundation Powder. It's in the color Darker. I don't know, their stuff is really pigmented. I'd even put I literally put a little bit on my brush, and it is pigmented. Do you know why I don't go in with dark colors for my nose contour, which no one should? You should go like maybe a little bit dark, like one shade darker. The reason for, you don't want a nose contour that's like so pronounced and embarrassing. And setting it with setting spray. I'm just gonna go back in with my felt liner, put that right where it's supposed to be. So this is like something new. Absolute New York Spirits Too Fix Matte Makeup Setting Spray. This is like a beauty supply store brand you can find in beauty supply stores. So I'm going to go back with the colors that I use at the top, except the black. And I'm just going to tight line the color on my waterline. And I'm only going to do that like 3/4 of the way, not fully. I'm going to put like a light amount. Doing that, I'm going to go in maybe with white eyeliner, and I'm going to line my lower lash. Oh my gosh. I'm going to tight line my lower lash. I'm put eyeliner on my eyes. Let me just say that. And I'm using, this is probably by Annabelle Cosmetics, to be honest. But I think this looks fine. I just feel like the white kind of opens up my eyes. Then I'm going to go with my ultimate fave. And I'm just going to elongate my lower lashes with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I always use this because the one is just so skinny. Okay, so I'm done with that. Now I'm going in with Black Radiance Urban Identity Dual Eye Definer. So it has like a golden shimmer in it. That's what I'm going to use it. Even though like silver is mainly my attire, but I'm going to add some. Because I feel like I do silver a lot on my channel. Silver and white. A little bit of gold. With this. It's not really showing. Oh, this is kind of embarrassing. Wow, this doesn't show up on my skin. It showed up on my like arm as a swatch. Whatever. But anyways, you can use that definitely, or go in with like a glitter. I tried opening my eyes, but that's okay. Anyways, I'm going in with my Bronze Booster in Medium Dark by Physicians Formula. I've been using this so much that it's like broken. But I like it just to bronze up my face. And I'm also going to bring this down on my neck. I don't like when I just don't have makeup on my neck. And I bring this on my collarbones as well. Because since my dress is like, it cuts off where my shoulders are, I want to make sure that my body's like bronzed and glowy and has makeup on it, just to like tie everything together type of thing. For every Christmas tutorial, I always go in with red lips because I feel like I mainly wear red lips around this time and I like it. It's really traditional for Christmas, but I feel like it just looks good on everybody. Okay, so I'm using Annabelle Cosmetics in the color Flame to line my lips. Lining your lips is gonna make your lips look like very perfect and pronounced. I love red. So now I'm going in with my Essence, I'm pretty sure, yeah. I'm going in with my Essence lipstick in Matte 06. And I've been using this for years because this is so good, it's so cheap. I think it's like $2. You get Essence at Shoppers Drug Mart. They have like a little tiny stand. Okay, so this is how the makeup looks. Okay, so now let's go with outfit. Let's go put on the outfit. I'm going to show you guys. And then we're going to go in with hair. Okay guys, I'm in my closet. Anyways, so I have a few dresses. I'm thinking of buying one because I'm just tired of looking at the same clothes all the time. I have a lot of sparkly dresses and I like wearing sparkly dresses during the holidays. Oh my god, I totally forgot about this dress. If you guys watch my Pretty Little Thing haul, oh my gosh, how did I forget about this dress? This dress is banging. There's this. I haven't worn it yet. Company sent it to me in like I think it was like February last year. And I haven't worn it, but as you can see, it's like super sparkly. There's this dress. I took like so many photos in that because it's just a casual. There's this one I wore for Christmas last year. If you guys haven't seen my house party, like I just have a few. Ooh, what about this? This is so pretty. I never wore that yet. What else? Oh, and I have like this simple like spandex. I got this from Zara, actually. I got this at Zara a long time ago. And then there's, ooh, this is cute. Like I have so much. So I think I'm just going to wear this one because it's like an open back. Let me bring it out and show you guys. So as you guys can see, it's really low cut in the back. And I feel like it will look so nice. Just pair it with simple heels. So I think this is what I'm going to wear because I haven't worn it. I don't know what company it's from. Okay, so I have the dress on. I totally forgot where I got this dress from. It could be from like Dress Lily or something. I can't remember. I just got it sent from a company, and the company doesn't have like a tag on the dress or anything, so I don't know. But it's like super glittery. I'm gonna show you guys. It's just like really glittery. So as you can see, it's super glittery. Okay, so the sun came out, and I had to change my angle, so I hope everything's okay. We're gonna work on the hair. And the hair is going to be really quick and simple and easy because all I'm doing is straightening it. Thinking like a side part maybe. Yay! You guys feeling the side part down. Tip is you always part your hair on an angle like that. It just makes everything look a little bit natural. You know, I was gonna go in with hoop earrings, but I said this dress is way too much, so we're not gonna go in with hoop earrings. Did this warm up yet? I need a new straightener. Well, comment down below, do you guys like this hairstyle? I know a lot of people were saying that I would look good with a bob. And I'm lightly just going over this. I'm not really doing much, and I'm curling in the ends. You guys can see all this. Literally, that's it. I can actually straighten this a little bit more. I bought this straightener a few years ago actually, and I think it's come to its end of how it works. And I'm okay with that, because I don't even like the pattern of it. So it's okay, I'll get a new one. And I'm curling in the bottom just so it can look a little more uniformed. And that's really it. We are done with this whole look. Okay, so that's it for today's makeup look. So this is my holiday makeup look for a party here in Jamaica that I'm gonna have some fun with, because you guys know parties down here are very fun and enjoyable. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Comment down below if you guys like this look, if you guys like this type of style of video. Brought you guys along with me to get my nails done, my hair, show you guys my little outfit that I'm going to be wearing. But yeah, comment down below. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and happy holidays. I hope you guys have fun, and a Merry Christmas. Au revoir.
Santa Claus, do you ever wonder why we suffer so? Santa Claus, will you ever